Hello everybody. So today I want to talk about algebra. The topic today that is about the series in here. So now I want to show you how to answer. If we look on this series, we can analyze that the first term that is about a number 1, that's it in here. So we have number 5. And then we need to find about common ratio. That is about R. To find about common ratio, we need to use about a number 2 divided by a number 1. Because a number 2 that is about a1 multiplied by R over R. Over a1. So that's why we have R in here. So a number 2 in this situation, that is about negative 5 over 2. So we divide this one and we have negative 1 over 2. We know that when R equals to negative 1 over 2, and this one we put inside the absolute value, and we have 1 over 2. 1 over 2 is smaller than number 1. So we can say the series is convergent. So because the series is convergent, we can find the sum of Hn in here. And the formula of this situation, we have a1 over 1 minus R. A1 we have number 5. R that is about negative 1 over 2. So we calculate this one and we have the final answer. And that is about 10 over 3. This is the end. Thank you for watching.